In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable note music on Instagram. After the recent update, you want to enable or activate your music note on Instagram, but I don't know how. I'm going to teach you a quick steps on how to get it done. For those of you who don't know what Instagram note is, Instagram note allows you to leave short text message with music for your friends. On your Instagram home feed, navigate to the top right corner where you see your message icon here, then proceed to click there. Then you can proceed to click on your profile icon. On the top left corner, you see the plus icon. Click there. Then you can leave a note here. In order to add note music to it, you can proceed to click on this music note icon. Then you have a tons of options to pick from. In my case, I'm going to proceed to click on the music title Terminator by King Promise and select it. Then I'm going to proceed to click on confirm. After that, you can proceed to click on share. Now my Instagram note music has been enabled. If for some reason you have a problem to enable this new feature, the Instagram note music, you have to proceed out of this app. Then locate your Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram and make sure you've updated your Instagram. After the update and you open your Instagram, you should be able to enable note music on Instagram. If you still have a problem, you can proceed to open your browser. In the address bar, type google.com. In the search engine, type Instagram beta apk and proceed to select the one with this best match. Then you should proceed to install the first one as it appeared on the search engine. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.